Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Dondiba Ishwanath, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government Postgraduate College, Kyarpuram, Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss tautomerism and enolates for 4th semester BSc Chemistry, Bangalore North University. Now this topic I divide into 4 modules. First module goes to, that is a definition of tautomers with example, differences between tautomers and resonance, acid and base catalyze keto-enol interconversion. Fourth point will be a acidity of alpha hydrogen atom in carbonyl compounds. Now we have to study one by one. First one is, what is meant by tautomerism. Tautomerism, no, it is a special type of isomerism in which two structural isomers are mutually interconvertible and exist in a dynamic equilibrium called tautomers, and the phenomena is called tautomerism. Simple, here it is isomers because two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in structure and properties due to different arrangement in 2 dimension or 3 dimension, called that is isomers. Therefore here simply the tautomers are having a special type of isomerism in which one form of the structure is converted into another form with a dynamic equilibrium, called that is tautomers. And the condition for tautomerism is, it is a essential and sufficient condition for keto-enol tautomerism or tautomerism is that the carbonyl compound must carry one or more alpha hydrogen atom. It is a very important alpha hydrogen atom, one or more alpha hydrogen atoms. Now for example, carbonyl compounds exhibits tautomerism and may be represented as an equilibrium mixture of two isomers. Now I have to explain by taking a few examples. First one is acetone. Acetone, in which this is the carbonyl group. It is also called as a keto form due to having this carbonyl group placed in between the two alkyl group. Therefore this carbonyl group becomes a keto form, that is a acetone. Now leaving this carbonyl group, the adjacent carbon atom is there, that is called as a alpha carbon atom. Here towards right it is the alpha carbon atom, towards left that is a carbon atom, it is also a alpha carbon atom. This alpha carbon atom surrounds hydrogen atom, they are called as alpha hydrogen atoms. In presence of acidic or basic medium, as acid or base catalyzed reaction, due to presence of acid and base catalysis, this reaction is easily interconvertible from keto form into enol form. Therefore here ketonic group is converted into alcoholic group and alkane group is converted into alkane group. Therefore enol form. Therefore acetone is converted into propanol by migration of alpha hydrogen atom to the carbonyl oxygen. Now similarly we have to take another example, acetaldehyde, in which this is the alpha hydrogen atom, this is the alpha carbon atom. Here towards right there is no alpha carbon atom, therefore there is no alpha hydrogen atom. But towards the left side, the one is carbon atom that surrounds, that is a hydrogen, they are called as alpha hydrogen atom. When under the influence of acid or base, this hydrogen atom is shifted or interconvertible, it is a flow towards oxygen atom, and by shifting this bond here to form, that is a sigma bond is converted into pi bond, and this pi bond is converted into sigma bond, and therefore enol form is formed. Therefore keto form is converted into enol form. And third example here, cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone is the another example. Here this is the carbonyl group, and adjacent to this carbon, this is called as a alpha carbon atom, this is called as also alpha carbon atom. Therefore the condition will be satisfied and it is easy to undergo a enol form. in presence of the acid and basic medium by conversion of, that is the migration of hydrogen atom to the carbonyl oxygen group. Therefore, it is a cyclohexenol will be a form. Therefore, keto form into enol form is formed. The another example, that is the ethyl acetoacetic ester. Now here ethyl acetoacetic ester, in which this is the carbonyl group, another one is carbonyl group, like that. Adjacent to, there is no oxygen, there is no carbon atom will be there. Therefore, there is no alpha carbon atom will be there. But towards the left side, it is alpha carbon atom. Therefore, these are surrounds, that is a hydrogen atom. They are called as a alpha hydrogen atom. Considering this carbonyl group, towards right side, that is a alpha carbon atom. Therefore, they are called as a alpha hydrogen atom. Towards left side, also this is the carbon atom. This surrounds, that is the hydrogen. They are also called as a alpha hydrogen atom. But compared to this hydrogen atoms and these hydrogen atoms are more acidic, because these hydrogen atoms placed in between the two strong electron withdrawing groups. Hence, this is the more acidic in nature compared to this. Therefore, the migration of, usually in ethyl acetoacetic ester, the migration of hydrogen from this migration of hydrogen atom from this alpha carbon atom takes place instead of this carbon atom under the influence of proton, and that is a base, or in presence of acid or base to form, that is a enol form. Another example, that is last example according to your syllabus, malonic ester. Now here malonic ester will be there. Therefore, here this is the keto group will be there, or carbonyl group will be there, another carbonyl group will be there. Here we are towards the right, there is no carbon atom will be there. Therefore, it is not a alpha carbon atom. Therefore, there is no alpha hydrogen atom. Here towards the left side, here carbon atom is there. Therefore, it is surrounds that two hydrogen atom. They are called as alpha hydrogen atoms. Again, we are considering this carbonyl group. We are towards going to rights. They are having a two alpha hydrogen atoms, and towards left side there is no carbon atom. Therefore, there is no alpha carbon atom, and hence there is no alpha hydrogen atom. Therefore, any one of this is the symmetric molecule will be there. One of the hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom will migrate either towards this or towards this. This is the symmetric molecule under the influence of acid or base to form, that is the enol. Therefore, this bond will be a shifted double bond, and this hydrogen will be a migrate towards the carbonyl oxygen to form, that is the alcoholic group, that is the enol form. Therefore, keto form into enol form. Malonic ester undergo a keto enol that is the isomerism, or that is tautomers, in which keto form will be there and enol form will be there. Now coming to the what are the differences between tautomerism and resonance. We say that is the tautomers are distinct molecules. They can be separated, they can be isolated, whereas resonance has no real independence existence. Therefore, we cannot be isolated, and they having a no they cannot be isolated, and they do not have a independent existence. Second one is tautomers involves the movement of both electrons and atoms, whereas resonance involves only movement of electrons. The position of the atoms are remain same in resonance, but only electrons will be moving from one atom to another atom, whereas in tautomers both electrons as well as atoms also transferring from one position to another position. We have already know that is the transferring of hydrogen atom from one form to another position. Therefore, we say that is a migration of both electrons as well as atoms. These are the differences between, that is tautomers and resonance. And next we have to explain about acid catalyzed keto enol interconversion, because These are the tautomers will be formed using a acid and base catalysis. How it is takes place in acidic medium? In acidic solution, the carbonyl oxygen of ketotautomer is protonated and water removes a proton from alpha carbon atom forming enol. Now here simple. First, when keto form is taken as, when keto form, when approaches with the acid or acid catalyzed, then lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom flow towards the proton to form that is the oxonium ion. Then this molecule undergo hydrolysis. During the hydrolysis, the water molecule abstract the alpha hydrogen atom from carbonyl compound and to form it is a double bond, and oxonium ion also it is unstable. It became a make stabilization by transferring that is a pi electrons. Therefore it convert that is a enol form. Therefore keto form into enol form, in which acidic medium first the migration of electrons, lone pair of electrons towards the proton, and oxonium ion will be formed. Then it is formed the enol form. Now next coming to that is a base catalyzed reaction. In basic solution, hydroxide ions remove the proton from the alpha carbon atom, forming the enolate ion. Further, the protonation of oxygen from the enol to form the that is a enol form. Now we say that is a here what happened here. This is the keto form. When approaching that is a base catalyzed reaction, first after approaching the base, it abstract the alpha hydrogen atom. First alpha hydrogen atom will be removed and it became a double bond, and due to making that is a tetravalency of the carbon atom, this oxygen atom flow the electrons, it became a anion, and this anionic compound undergo a hydrolysis. It abstract that is a proton from water and to form that is enol, and this is the OH group will be liberated and it form a double bond. Therefore keto form into enol form. Therefore we say simply in acidic condition, first one is the flowing of the proton will be attacked on the carbonyl carbon atom, followed by then the removal of alpha hydrogen atom using a water is takes place. Whereas in basic medium, first alpha hydrogen atom is removed using a base, then the protonation is takes place to the from the water and to form that is a keto form into enol form. Now next coming to that is the acidity of alpha hydrogen in carbonyl compounds. Now why this is the alpha carbon atom is a more acidic, that can be explained by using following 3 points. First one is based on the pKa value. Suppose we are finding the experimental value, the pKa value of simple carbonyl compounds around 19 to 20, whereas in ethane that is it having a 25, ethene having a 44, and ethane having a 50. This indicates that carbonyl compounds are more acidic than ethane, which is more acidic than ethene, which is more acidic than ethane. We say that is a pKa. As the pKa value increases, the acidity decreases, or lower the value of pKa, higher will be the acidic in nature. The contrary, Ka value is nothing but dissociation constant of weak acid. Higher the value of degree of dissociation, no, higher the value of pKa value, more will be the acidic, whereas lower the value of Ka, less acidic. But pKa, suppose we are taking, it is exactly reverse. Lower the value, more will be acidic, and higher the value will be a less acidic in nature. This is the first. Due to having a small value of pKa, these carbonyl compounds are more acidic compared to that is a alkene, alkyne, and alkane. Second point is, in these compounds, in carbonyl compounds, oxygen atom is a more electron negative. more electronegative or electron negative, which remove the alpha hydrogen atom very easily because it drag the electron towards itself, and due to making the tetravalency of the carbon atom, that easy to make the proton remove. Therefore, this is the due to oxygen atom present in the carbonyl compound. Therefore, it is a more acidic in nature. Third one is after removal of alpha hydrogen atom, the anionic compound undergo a resonance stabilization. If the negative charge will be stabilizes, then we say that it is a more acidic in nature. Otherwise, we don't say that it is a more acidic in nature. Here, when there is a carbonyl compounds in presence of the acid or base catalyze, alpha hydrogen will be liberated, and this remove, the negative charge will be there. It undergo a resonance. This will be a shifted double bond. Due to making the tetravalence, this oxygen atom is a more electronegative. This is the take away, and it became a negative, and it became a double bond. And due to that is a anionic oxygen atom, it is easily to attract the proton and to form that is a enol form. Therefore, it due to having these due to three points or three evidences, it say show that the alpha hydrogen atom is more acidic in nature. Now coming to the examples. First one is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, here same, it is similar to that. It undergo presence of acid and base catalyze. It is form negative charge, and oxygen atom is more electronegative with drag the electrons towards itself, and due to making the tetravalency of this charge will be a flow involved in the this electrons will be a participate in the bond formation, and it is anion will be a form. This is easy to flow. These electrons are easily flow towards that is a proton and to form a enol form. Similar to we say that is a acetone. According to your syllabus, acetone will be the another example, and this alpha hydrogen atom is easy, therefore it became a anion, and oxygen atom is more electronegative. It drag the electron density towards itself, and due to making the tetravalency, these electrons are flowing towards the bond formation, therefore it is a enol form. And due to having a charge on oxygen atom, these electrons are flow towards the proton, which is liberated in beginning, that is first step, and to form that is a enol form. And this completes about that is a module 1.